Meaning of injunction.
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 Injunction. An injunction is a legal order issued by a court that requires a person or entity to stop engaging in a particular action or behavior. Violation of an injunction can result in severe consequences, such as fines or imprisonment. The purpose of an injunction is to prevent harm or damage to a person or property, and it can be used in various situations, including intellectual property disputes, environmental issues, and labor disputes. In summary, an injunction is a powerful tool that courts can use to enforce the law and protect the rights of individuals and organizations.